Another severe thunderstorm warning. Probably another emergency alert system spectrum details channel gray screen coming up. But you know what? That'll be just fine. I wonder what channel it's on. I have not checked yet. So I am about to check here in 1 minute. If it does not go back. Okay, so it looks like I get to check what channel this EAS details channel screen comes on. Let's find out. This needs to stop. And I currently have it. Wow. Stand by a moment. Well, I don't know what happened to my cable box. It went to channel 728. That is not the channel that I was on.